The Czech Republic is blissfully nestled in Central Europe. It is surrounded by economically robust countries like Germany, Poland, and Austria. The capital of the country, Prague, has been voted as the most visited place in Central Europe. The land has a unique historical past, customs, and traditions. It is the land of splendid castles and pristine green landscapes. When planning to visit the Czech Republic, take care to keep in mind these basic travel tips for a comfortable holiday experience in the country. 1. Beware of unmarked taxis. When visiting the Czech Republic, you will find a number of taxis around the important metro and bus stations. It is best to avoid such taxis. They tend to cheat tourists, so it is best to avoid them. Some taxi services, like Uber and Lyft, are highly recommended. 2. Pack smart. For the Czech Republic, you will need a variety of clothes to suit all weather conditions. The weather is unreliable, much like the rest of Europe. Even in the summer, you could come across a few showers of rain. On some windy days, it can be surprisingly cold. 3. Eat sensibly. Traditional Czech cuisine consists of potatoes, meat, and vegetables served with gravy. It fills your stomach and heart too. Some other delectable dishes to try are veprnidlo zelo, svikova, and gulas. 4. Carry Czech koruna. This is the most common mistake made by travelers. Since it falls in the European continent, people assume the money exchange to be in euros. The currency of the Czech Republic is the Czech koruna. 1 CZK equals 3 INR. 5. Avoid alcohol. The nightlife in Prague starts very late at night. The Czech Republic is famous for its beer, but you should try and avoid slivovice. It is a popular drink in the Czech Republic. This is a Moravian drink that has the maximum amount of alcohol compared to any drink in the world. We sincerely hope that these basic, essential travel tips will make your trip to the Czech Republic memorable. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. After all, who doesn't love extra cash?